of the 150. All right, you guys ready for some baseball? We got the 23 Platinums. How do you say it? Bowman? Bowman? It's up to you to let me know. I've always called it Bowman, but not until recently did somebody say they call it Bowman. Bowman. First place, Future Stars, autograph possibly, platinum pieces, platinum patches, relic, auto, relic cards, rookie inserts, money inserts, everywhere. It looks all good. Got this from the Walmart. You can see how they treat their stuff there. Looks to be in great shape. Figured I'd pick this one up because it'd be the lucky charm, lucky charms. Let me know if you guys pick up the damaged boxes like this, or you guys get those pristine ones. A lot of times these get pushed around, then they get probably sent back to the manufacturer, distributor, and then they come out opening them up and probably getting something big. Let me know all the stories you've heard. Let's get started. We got 4 cards per pack. Let me know what the big hits are. Let me know what you guys have pulled. I'll do my best. I don't know everybody. Riley Green, Detroit Tigers. Anthony Hall. Josh Young, rookie. These look nice. Nelson Velasquez, rookie. And Alec Thomas. They look a lot different than the other stuff I've been pulling in the past, especially this one. This one's cool looking. Very cool, very cool. Get some like hollows and stuff. Awesome. '23 the Bowman, Freddie Freeman. Yahoo! The Dodgers really ripping it up in the World Series this year. Chandler Simpson, the Tampa Bay Rays, they call him now. It's not the Devil Rays. Renowned rookie Jordan Walker. And Jeremy Pena in Houston. Were those the hits that I needed to sleeve? Let me know. Looked like the parallels were a little different. The insert was a little different. Freddie Freeman, of course, needed to get it. Verlander from the Mets. Trey Turner. Looks like that Yankee has got some... Oh, nope, not the Yankee. This one, Jacob Mizorowski from the Brewers. He got a different treatment. And Garrett Cole, pitcher from the Yankees. What are these parallels named, these inserts? Let me know. Appreciate it, appreciate it. Ivan Herrera, the Cardinals. Mikey Romero, Red Sox. The Precious Elements, Reggie Crawford. It's got the Breaking Bad.
You're goddamn right.
Table of Elements in the back. Xander Bogaerts. Periodic table, it's called, not the Table of Elements. I can't know everything there is to know about everything. Vladimir Guerrero Jr. Blue Jays. Silas Ardoin. Kadal Sanga. Jonathan Aranda. Adley Rutschman from the Orioles. So you get 4 cards. Some of them, I guess, you get 5. I think we got 5 in the first couple of packs as well. Can you get any throwback stars? Can we get some old school guys? Nolan Ryan, maybe Griffey, Thomas? Let's check it out. We got Brewers, the Nationals.
Here we go.
Renowned rookie, Anthony Volpe, 79 of 250.
Here we go.
Purple parallel. Renowned rookie insert. Corners are kind of dinged up, so that we won't be sending that out to get graded, but. And the last one, Sela Suzuki. '23 Platinums, the Bowmans, the Bowmans. How do you say it? What's the right way to say it? Groshans from the Marlins. Vinny Pasquantino, Royals. Spencer Jones, we got 4 cards in this. Oh no, we have 5 cards. Peyton Paylett from the Sox. And Giancarlo Stanton. Last pack. Thanks for showing up, guys. Remember to like, subscribe, share, comment. Turn on post notifications if you could. Bo Naylor. Jet Williams. The New Money. Peraza. And Juan Soto from the Padres. We'll give him a little shout out. Put him in a sleevaroo. So there's our hit from the box. Like I said, let me know what the hits were. Let me know what I missed. Come back again. Looks nice. Peace. Thanks for watching, and again, for further support, please go to my Patreon. Support me even further. Depending on each tier, you can get entered into larger and larger free giveaways for cards, as well as early access before any other YouTuber. And you get your name showcased at the end of all my full-length videos. Again, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.